Hey, what's up, guys? Jason here. Hey, how's it going today? Happy Saturday, everybody. And want to know, did you know these three fast money tips? And three things that we do. Sorry, it's a chicken over here bottom if you can see him. Three things, and these are three things that me and my wife, we actually started doing a few years ago that helped us out a lot. First one, go around and collect all your change in your house. Believe it or not, I think the most we ever found in 1 year was like about 300 some dollars and change. We took it to Vegas, had a good time. Lasted us all weekend. So definitely go around, clean out your cars, couches, under the bed. You'll be surprised how much money you're just sitting on, literally. Um, Sorry, this chicken really being weird today. I don't know if y'all can see him. Second thing is, if you have any debit cards or credit cards, look and see what rebates you have on there. We just recently realized we had $160 cash just sitting on one. We didn't even know about it. So definitely check those things out. You never know if your cards became a rebate card and you're just sitting on some points you can turn into cash. And oh, this chicken being really weird. Third thing is, start tracking. You're tracking your budget, keeping track of where you're spending money. You'll be surprised. Like for me, I used to spend average out about $20, $30 a week just eating out nonsense. 'Cause I didn't even realize I was spending the money. You know, when you going to work on lunch break, you just buying all these little extra things. And so tracking it, that helped. Hopefully this helped some of you guys out. It helped us out. If you want any more information about some money saving tips, hit me up and I'll send you something.